Hello everyone, my name is Dave. I'm from Kitiwment Studios. I'm a Photoshop and Premiere Pro user. I'm also a movie director. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Okay, let's begin. Hello and welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change background to a studio background. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, we'll start by cropping the image out. You can either use the pen tool, the quick selection tool, or if you have an upgraded Photoshop 2021, you can click select a mask. Make sure the view is matching ants, and now click on the select subject. If you don't have the latest version of Photoshop, you can use the other method, whether the pen tool or the quick selection tool. It has done a perfect job. So the next thing we will do is to pick the lasso tool and hold the Alt and make sure to line it up nicely. Line it up nicely, very nice. What about this place? Very nice. What about this place? Very nice. Take it off. So the next thing we are going to do is to feather it. So increase the feather to 2.1 is okay. Make sure the output to is layer mask. When you are done, you can click on OK. And now you have your background removed. The next thing I want us to do is to pick the shape tool and click on any color you want and drag it over your layer. Make sure to move the rectangle layer beneath the subject like this. And now you have this background. So we want to change the background. Make sure to click on this thumbnail and pick a color you want. I think this color is okay. So now this doesn't look so realistic. The next thing we are going to do is to add a little grain to the background. So go to filter, camera raw filter. Okay, so go to convert to smart object. And now we are here. Make sure to click on effects, and we have grain, so make sure to increase the grain. Now you have the effect, make sure to increase it. I think now it's okay, and add a little vignetting to it and press OK. And this is our result. The next thing we are going to do is to add the curve adjustment layer. So click on this icon, select the curves, and now we are going to decrease the highlights. So click on this point and move it downwards a little bit. A little bit. And also let's make another adjustment layer, color balance, and add a little reddish to it to match the background. A little reddish to it, and increase the yellow a little bit. And now I think it's okay. One last thing, make sure to blur the background a little bit. So blur, click on filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and reduce it to I think 2 is okay. So we have a nice studio background. If you love this tutorial, please make sure to subscribe and share this video. Also comment. See you in my next video.